What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it on Friday and had a great weekend. As you guys know, Fridays are known to be my best trading days of the week. We ended up absolutely crushing it, guys. We ended up going 5 for 5 on the day. I'm going to be going over the trades that I took to have a multi four-figure day, as well as the upcoming game plan for the rest of the week. Let's get into it. So, first things first, guys. First trade I ended up taking was a gap close reversal. This is a strategy I've been preaching on you guys, the gap close reversal where SPY has previously closed at, which was this red line right here at 488.03. We ended up gapping down in the pre-market. We came back up. We hit the puts. We doubled down on the puts, and we rode this thing home. The next two trades ended up taking, guys, the 200 EMA as well as our key level, guys, that we had at 487.23. We broke through it. I hit the calls, sold the move, came back down, hit the 200 EMA again, as well as our key level, bought calls for the second time. We literally bought the low of day of the morning twice, guys, and printed both separate times. The next trade I ended up getting, guys, remember I told you guys, SPY respects what? Full dollar and half amount. So where did we end up hitting puts? Of course, we hit puts at 489. Ended up being the exact high of the day. Hit these puts, banked. The next trade I ended up getting into is our key level at 488.73. Do you see how as soon as we used this support, we had a big run, but we couldn't hold above it, right? I ended up getting puts on this candle right here. This was a long hold because my stop loss was 489. I ended up holding this out on futures, not on options, because I already made my money on options. I ended up taking 10 contracts, guys, full portfolio on 20 accounts on this exact position right here. I held this move, and my stop loss was literally 489. I ended up making, I think it was 1,000 or 975 or 925, whatever it was. I just ended up selling this move, guys, because our key level, the previous resistance from Wednesday, we ended up shorting again. We couldn't hold this level, right? You come back over here, look at all these long wicks. This is a previous resistance. We could not break. This is why I ended up getting the puts on this candle. And my stop loss was 489 because I knew if we came up to 489, we were absolute minimum making new highs on the day. That's why I had a stop loss right here. And this move absolutely printed. So moving forward, what's the game plan? So first things first, guys, 488.12. You guys know how we got that. It was Thursday's resistance all day. We came back up to retest it and sold off. So our major key level, again, is going to be 488.12. This has been proven to be a big resistance. So you need to add this level to your chart right now, because if we gap up, we come back down to it, you're going to want to hit calls. If we end up gapping down and come back up to this, you're going to want to hit puts. Why? SPY has shown us this level is a resistance. Resistance, okay? When it comes down to the major support of yesterday, a generalized area is going to be 486.96, pretty much 487. We held all day, and it was a magnet the day before and a magnet the day before and support, okay? So add 487 to your charts. This is a big psychological key number because this has shown us that it's a big resistance, and once we use it support, there's big upside potential. Use it as support, big upside potential. Use it as resistance, big downside potential. Use it as resistance, big downside potential, right? So these two levels, 488.12 and 486.96, is shown us for day traders that these are the two best levels for us to be trading. So add those to your chart. Monday to Friday, guys, I am going to be live streaming at 9 a.m. I'm going to be going live on YouTube for free on every Friday from now on. Just instead of doing free trials, guys, we're going to show you what it's like to actually live trade with us. So every Friday, I'm going to go live. The Discord's going to go live on YouTube for free to show you guys what it's like. There's a lot of companies out there that are putting money into accounts and they're acting like they actually made that on the day. There's a lot of fraud in this industry. We like to be completely transparent and show you guys what we can actually do. I want to make this clear. If you have a big enough account, over 50K, or you have no capital, or you are new with day trading, I highly recommend you go the futures route to begin with, to be able to work up to trade options. The end goal is to be able to trade options, not have any rules, or even futures, to have a big enough account to trade futures with, guys. The end goal is for you guys to be able to do this trading using real money, so you don't have rules to abide by through Apex and through whatever companies are around. My primary focus, guys, is options trading. That's how I make my money to live. I trade options. I am a professional. Once my options account, my daily goal, or a certain amount of money that I'm happy with, once I close that for the day, because that's what I start off with as options, I will go to futures. The reason why we do futures in here, because this is the era of funded accounts. Not a lot of day traders have capital to work with, and this is the best thing to do if you do not have capital to work with. So if you would like to learn more, if you would like to be paid or learn how to be paid from day trading with very little capital, guys, the Daily Sniper is going to show you exactly how to pass funded accounts, how to take money out of funded accounts, and bridge to options where you guys can consistently make money moving forward. So that is it for me today, guys. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, just write them in the comments below, and I'll see everyone tomorrow at Market Open. Remember, if nothing changes, nothing will change. Be the change you guys wish to do. If your life is at a standstill right now, guys, you need to change something up to move forward. That is it, guys. Remember, if I could do it, you could do it. I used to wear steel-toe boots, freezing my butt off in the cold, and I no longer do that. The link is in the bio if you guys would like to change your life. Take care, guys.